Hi friends, welcome to Shreya's cooking channel. Today let's see how to make potato fry. For this we need 3 potatoes of this size. I've cut the potatoes. Need chili powder 2 teaspoons, coriander powder 1 teaspoon, turmeric powder 1 teaspoon, ginger garlic paste 1 tablespoon, mustard seeds 1 teaspoon, urad dal half teaspoon, curry leaves 10 to 15, oil 5 to 6 teaspoons, and salt. Boil the potatoes till it's half cooked. I boiled the potatoes. Let's fry them now. Heat the pan and add 6 teaspoons oil. Add mustard seeds, urad dal, add ginger garlic paste. Fry this in low flame for 2 minutes. I fried this for 2 minutes. Let's add chili powder, coriander powder, turmeric powder. Fry this for 30 seconds. Now I'm going to add the boiled potatoes, salt, add curry leaves. Fry in medium flame for 2 minutes and then in low flame till the potatoes are soft. Keep stirring. Potato fry is ready. It's a very easy and tasty recipe. Try this and post your comments. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and also subscribe to our channel.